It has probably been a while since you've had your chimney and fireplace professionally inspected, which means that it might be time for you to schedule a Level 2 sweep and inspection. In this video, we will tell you the top 5 reasons you need a Level 2 chimney sweep and inspection. But before we talk about those reasons, don't forget to subscribe to the Alpha and Omega YouTube channel for more chimney, fireplace, and dryer vent-related content. If you find this video informative, be sure to click the like button and leave us a comment below. Just as a reminder, the Level 2 sweep and inspection is required if you make any changes to the way that you use your chimney or fireplace. This can include converting from a wood-burning fireplace to gas, or vice versa, relining your chimney's flue, or any accidents that may have caused internal or external damage to your chimney. Also, if you're selling your home, it is required that you have a Level 2 sweep and inspection. Now, let's talk about the top 5 reasons you need a Level 2 sweep and inspection. Number 1. Creosote buildup. When you use your fireplace on a regular basis, smoke, vapor, and unburned wood fragments move up into your chimney. These elements cool off and condense into a dark brown or black coating called creosote. Creosote is highly flammable, especially if the temperature in your flue is high and the creosote layers are thick. A fire caused by creosote buildup can damage your chimney, surrounding masonry, and the overall structure and safety of your home. In order to prevent creosote buildup, you should always have your chimney and fireplace professionally inspected and swept on an annual basis. Number 2. Obstructions. Mother Nature has been known to deposit debris into your chimney. This can include things like leaves, twigs, and fallen branches. Also, small critters such as birds, squirrels, and raccoons can sometimes turn the top of your chimney into their new home. All of these elements are considered obstructions. Obstructions can block your flue and prevent smoke, vapor, and all other fire-related byproducts from properly exiting your chimney. Instead, these byproducts can enter your home and expose you to carbon monoxide gas, which is lethal. Some obstructions can also act as kindling and cause house fires if they come in contact with hot embers rising through your chimney. Always make sure your chimney is free from obstructions before you start burning anything in your fireplace. Number 3. Unnoticeable damage. There are many components that are vital to your chimney's health and safety. These components can often be too high or hidden from a homeowner's observational inspection. However, a professional chimney sweep has the tools and training needed to properly assess damage and look out for any components that need to be replaced. These components can include your crown, flue liner, and any unstable masonry work. If you're unsure about the vital components of your chimney, we highly recommend you schedule your Level 2 sweep and inspection before you burn anything in your fireplace. Number 4. Homeowners insurance. You might be surprised to know that many homeowners insurance policies can require regular chimney inspections as a condition of their policy. If you're not scheduling regular chimney inspections, you may be responsible for paying the bill should a chimney-related emergency or damage occur. Be sure to read your homeowner's insurance policy thoroughly so you're aware of any required inspections and to avoid any lapse in insurance coverage. Number 5. Selling your home. Before selling your home, a Level 2 sweep and inspection should always be conducted. Also, if you've just bought a home and are unsure of the last time your chimney was professionally swept and inspected, we highly recommend you schedule a Level 2 sweep and inspection as soon as possible. If your chimney and fireplace haven't been inspected in a while, they could be filled with creosote, obstructed by debris, or have damage not visible to the untrained eye. Don't risk your family's health or safety by using your fireplace before your chimney has been properly inspected and swept. Now that you know the top 5 reasons you need a Level 2 sweep and inspection, it's time to give Alpha and Omega a call to schedule your inspection today. Alpha and Omega is Michigan's #1 chimney, fireplace, and dryer vent service provider, having served homeowners since 1997. Our team of industry-leading professionals are here to help you preserve the health and safety of your home by providing you with the services you need to keep your fire burning, keep your fireplace looking amazing, and most importantly, keep your home operating safely and efficiently. Call or click today to schedule your appointment with Alpha and Omega. We hope you enjoyed our video. Please stay tuned for more alpha and omega content. Thanks for watching.